If you ask any virgin if you are still a virgin, and she quickly tell you yes, truly she's a virgin. Anytime you ask any girl, are you a virgin, and her answer will be, why do you ask me? It is none of your business. It is personal. She has already told you the answer. She has lost it. When people become aggressive for a very simple question, you know that they are in the wrong path. That is the truth. That is why you see them in the internet telling you, if it's short for you, come and say it in our village. Because they don't have any other alternative to counter your truth. Truth bitter them and they result in fight. Truth hit them hardly. Is a too sharp-edged sword, breaking and piercing down to the marrow. So all the thing they can do is to react and fight back. You are telling us, if it's short for you, come to Ikwere and say that Ikwere. Am I the one that I should tell you that? Can any of you, the Ikwere youth, gather together and go and fight Amechi? He is one of your son, and he has said it in national TV that he's an Igbo man. Even in BBC, he interviewed, he said he's an Igbo man. With evidence. Can any of you youth in your millions gather and go and fight Don Kamaiti? He's a youth like you people. It's the poor masses like you that come online and be saying, if it's short for you, I don't need to come there. Because if I come there and say, people will say, now you carry fight going in place, as you say, no people, why you go there, go find trouble. If it's short for you in the 21st century, counter me with logic reasoning. Stop threatening people. Whenever you tell people, stop calling me a mumu, having to notice that that is when people call you mumu more. Because they know that what they are calling you is the truth. When people are calling you a name and you are threatening them, that's when people call you that name more. That is the truth. That is why pastor will want to arrest a member that tell him he's a fake. Because you know the member is telling him the truth. You threaten people when they are telling you the truth. If you know that they are telling you lies, counter them logically. Bring fact. This is 21st century where dialogue win war, not battle with axe and machete. Bring logic reasoning to counter what we are saying. Prove us wrong that you are not Igbo. You begin to threaten people. See now, you have not even deal with your fellow job brothers. See you are neighbor in the same state. See what the guy wrote, that they came to Port Harcourt. You were claiming the owner of Port Harcourt. They are there. You are threatening others. If it's not for you, come to Ikwere and say that we are Igbo. But the person is telling you that you are not the owner of Port Harcourt. What can you do about it? Shebi, you say you be John. As you know, people, you must be John. You don't go be you know go be one. You go be one now. As you know, people, you go be John. They are claiming the state. Oh yeah, now tell them say Ikwere no be John. You are trying to fight people who are telling you the truth. In fact, the problem is that even both the Ijaw youths and the Ikwere youth are fighting for the wrong reason. Dragging that you are Igbo, you are not Igbo, or you are Ijaw, you are not Ijaw. Has it developed your state? Has it developed? Just the same thing they are doing in Delta State. Urobo are claiming the majority. Urobo youth are saying things about the Igbos. The Igbos are the ones denying that they are not Igbos. Has it developed your state? Has he made your state better? Has he made your governor function well? The man that built Dubai is not a politician. The man that built Dubai is not elected. It's just like ordinary king, like also all this na king wanna get for when they go online, they do interview. The man that built the city of Dubai was a village, maybe even worse than one of the Ijaw communities or Ikwere communities there. But the man saw vision. How many of you are talking to your kings? How many of your kings can take it upon him to use his virtual power as a king to lobby investment and government to invest in those communities? Mba, we are not going to see critical reasoning how to think and build a good community, not to be dragging land. In the 21st century, many of you will do 30 years to 40 years and die the same way you meet your village because you are not ready to impart the new generation or the society you are living in. What your fathers did 50 years down the line, you still meet the same village, no improvement, and you are not learning that it's only a fool that keep doing the same thing, getting the same result, but doesn't want to take strategy. You must learn how to do things differently. That is the only way you can move forward. Learn how to live peacefully with people on you. Use logic reasoning, understand wisdom and apply it. Do the right thing. Fight for the right cause. Not dragging land. Land does not make any man rich in 21st century. Men who are rich, Mark Zuckerberg, own the sky. I'm out of here, Joe.